Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves with friends on PC. First, ensure everyone has the game installed and updated on their computers. Next, launch Sea of Thieves and sign in using your Microsoft account, which is essential for all platforms. From the main menu, select Play, then choose Adventure to embark on your exciting pirate journey together. This sets the stage for countless hours of fun with your chosen crew. To invite your friends, first ensure you've added them via their Xbox gamertag using the Xbox app or the Windows game bar. Once in the game's main menu, select My Crew. Here, you can invite up to 3 friends, creating a full crew of 4 pirates. They will receive an in-game invitation, which they can accept to join your session and prepare for adventure. Crossplay is fully supported, so platform doesn't matter. Once your friends accept the invitation, they will appear in your game lobby. It is important to confirm everyone is present and ready before you set sail. Next, choose your ship type. A sloop is ideal for 1 or 2 players, a brigantine for 3, and a galleon for a full crew of 4. Selecting the right vessel ensures a balanced and enjoyable experience for your entire pirate team. Effective teamwork is crucial for success in Sea of Thieves. Use voice chat or the in-game radial menu for clear communication with your crew. Assigning roles, such as one person steering, another managing the sails, and others on cannons or lookout, greatly improves efficiency. Remember to share resources like planks and cannonballs, and always work together to conquer challenges and claim your well-deserved loot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.